Is my voice coming, Pranay? Are you able to listen? Are you getting my voice? Is my audio clear?
Yes, sir, you're clear.
Okay, good.
Sir, I forgot to turn on mic.
Okay,
That's what I do.
okay. It is generally practice, sir. Switching off the mic and switching off the video. So when there is a large group, then definitely
Yes.
we have to keep it off. Okay, but today only it is a one-to-one interaction, so you can keep it on, not a problem. So Pranay, so what we will be doing today is
Yes, sir.
we will be starting the chapter, first chapter. Before that one, we will just take an overlook of the syllabus, because for class 10 what chapters are there, okay, and what is the overall scope we should get a general idea before we just start. Okay, so we'll just start with the part. Okay, you can switch off your camera also, not a problem. Okay, because sometimes it also eats the bandwidth. Okay. Okay. So for the class 10 biology syllabus,
Sir.
the exam is for 2 hours and total 80 marks for theory and 20 marks for practical. Okay. So section 1 is 40 marks, section 2 is 40 marks. Section 1 all compulsory questions, short type answers. Okay. So that means 40 marks will be 1 mark questions. Okay, that is section 1 and it is compulsory. And how many chapters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 chapters. 5 chapters and 40 marks, 1 mark each, compulsory. That means you can expect every chapter from almost here and there, any paragraph question will come. Okay, so in biology, there is no question of selective study. It is not possible. Okay, that is what we have to keep in mind, that in biology we cannot do selective study. Questions will come from each and every chapter. Each and everything is important. Next, section 2. There are the 6 questions. Okay, and you will be required to
Yes, sir.
answer 4 out of 6. Okay, little bit choice is there. Okay, now coming to
Yes,
the
sir. This must be.
hmm, now coming to the overall, what is the scope of the syllabus? Under basic biology, which is chapter 1, we will start today. Under basic biology, we have the cell cycle, cell division, structure of chromosome, and genetics. Okay, these 3 parts are there. Basic idea about cell cycle, cell division, we have not covered in previous class 9 or anything. So it is a totally new. Structure of chromosome, little bit, very small, faint idea you may having, but that is also new. Genetics is also totally new. Therefore, this basic biology chapter is totally new concepts will be there, but it is related with the class 9, that cell organelles is there. No? What are the organelles of the cell? Chapter 2. You know. So with that, it is linked up.
Yes, sir.
Next, plant physiology. Under plant physiology, there are the different things. Okay, as we go on, we will be looking into it. Okay, so plant physiology is there. This particular chapter, that is the human anatomy and physiology, is a very lengthy chapter. Circulatory system, excretory system, endocrine, reproductive, nervous. Okay, population. Maximum questions will come from this chapter. It is a very lengthy chapter. Next is physical health and hygiene. It is when almost closing, when we will be completing the syllabus, at that time this physical health and hygiene and pollution, these 2 chapters will be there. These 2 are mainly like memorizing kind of things are there. Okay, but they are very important. A lot of questions come even in competitive exams also. A lot of questions come from these chapters, pollution as well. Okay, so that is overall gist what the syllabus is
Yes.
there for you. Okay, so let us start with the today basic biology. Anything you want to ask?
Sir, now I don't want to ask, sir. I want to tell one.
Yeah, something you want to say?
Actually, when I went to, sir, I went to Gyan Ganga for book, so they told that bio book is not available now. So afterwards, you come after 1 week, then.
Okay.
and it will be there.
Okay. Don't worry. I will send you one PDF.
So, sir, yeah,
I'm sending you one PDF of this one. Okay. For the time being, you can utilize that. Not a problem. I'm sending you now
okay, sir.
itself. Okay. I have sent it. It is in. Okay. I did receive it. So you can
Yes,
use this
sir,
one.
I got.
You can use this one till the time you get the textbook. That is good enough. Okay. So we will start. Cell
Yes,
cycle
sir.
and cell division. So suppose someone gets hurt, चोट लग जाने पे क्या होता है कि फिर उधर नया सेल्स बनता है. Some new cells have to form. That means
Yes, sir.
from some old cells are there, existing cells are there, and from that only the new cells have to come. Is it possible that cells can come
Sir.
without by their own, just they can come from something, mixing something, you can make a cell?
Sir, pardon?
Is it possible to make a cell by, just mixing two or three things, something like that?
No,
It is not possible. The cell theory in previous class 9 also, there was a cell theory we studied. No? The cell theory states that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. Okay, so any cell cannot just be born by itself spontaneously, or by some kind of magic or anything. That will not happen. If there is a cell, it has come
yes, sir.
from some pre-existing cell. Okay, so that is what is the
Yes,
fundamental of the cell theory. So if you look at this, if there is a cell we are looking at, it has come from some pre-existing cell. That's all we are telling. Now, for example, one cell,
yes, sir.
if it is going to divide, whether it will produce one cell only or more than one cell.
Sir, sir, one cell.
One cell, it divided, will it produce only one cell or two cells?
Sir, maybe one cell.
One cell. So suppose you are dividing this like this, you will get only one cell.
No, sir, double.
You will get two cells. Okay. And if it
Yes, sir.
is dividing in more than two places, something like this, then you may get three, four, like that. It is possible. But you will get more than one. Because one
Yes, sir.
cell is dividing. So if it is dividing, it will produce more than one cell. Now, for example, bacteria. Bacteria are also known as prokaryotes, correct? Is it true?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of prokaryotes? In class 9 we have studied
Sir,
basics.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Ah. Can you recollect prokaryotes what it means?
Yes, I'm not remembering now.
Okay. Now you see pro means what? Carry on. Okay. Pro means primitive. Primitive means some very old, बहुत पुराना. Okay. Pro. Karyote means nucleus.
Yes, sir.
Carry on means nucleus. That means very old or primitive nucleus. It is not a true nucleus. Bacteria, whether they have the nucleus, so consider that this is a typical bacterial cell and this is the chromosome of the bacteria. Okay. In this first chapter, there are a lot of basics are there. And this chapter is also connected with the other chapters. Lot of basics and fundamentals are there. It is also connected with the ninth class and it is also connected with the other chapters in this class 10. Okay, so little bit more basics are there, so you should
Yes,
give more time in revision of what is going on in the class. Okay, then in the next classes you will not feel much confusion. Okay, but for example, if you don't refresh this prokaryote and eukaryote, then the confusion will always be there. Okay. Now this is a typical bacterial cell. Does it have a nucleus?
yes, sir.
No nucleus. Okay.
Sir, that is chromosome.
This is a chromosome, but the chromosome, where it is located? The chromosome should be inside the, where it should be inside,
Nucleus.
inside the
Yes,
nucleus, correct? But in the bacteria
yes,
there is no
yes.
nucleus, there is what you say nucleoid. It is not a true nucleus because nucleus means it should have a nuclear membrane. Okay, the main difference between, we have to little bit, we have to refresh our prokaryote, eukaryote. Okay. Prokaryote means primitive or old nucleus.
Old nucleus.
And eukaryote means true, okay, or real nucleus. So what is a nucleus? A nucleus is having the DNA of the cell, correct? So if you take for
Yes.
example some animal cell, the animal cell we will make like this, that is covered by the plasma membrane outside,
Yes.
correct? Outside plasma membrane will be there and inside there will be a nuclear membrane.
Nuclear.
And inside this nuclear membrane, whatever this is part of the nucleus, there will be the chromosomes. Okay, chromosomes will be there. There will be nucleolus. Okay, like this different organelles are there. But this is what it is, the nuclear membrane. Okay. So in a eukaryotic cell, there are the membrane bound organelles are there. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER, Golgi, okay, all mitochondria, these
Yes.
are all there in the eukaryotes. Okay. So this endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi, mitochondria, all of these, whether they have any membrane around them,
Yes, sir.
Yes, they have membrane. All these organelles have membranes. But in the case of prokaryotes, there are no membrane bound organelles. Okay. So
Yes.
this is a very fundamental difference. There are other differences, but the fundamental difference is that prokaryotes have the primitive nucleus. They do not have any membrane bound organelles, whereas the eukaryotes have the true nucleus. Any examples of eukaryotes can you give me?
Uh,
Are animals eukaryotes?
Animal eukaryotes.
Which one? Plants are
Sir, I
eukaryotes.
don't know, sir.
You see, whether it is the plant, animals, okay, fungi, all of these are eukaryotes. Example of the prokaryote is
Bacteria.
okay. So under prokaryotes, we are looking at only one example, that is the bacteria. Okay, and under eukaryotes, there are the plants, animals, fungi, all of these. All of these have the true nucleus. Okay. Now, the name of this chapter is cell cycle and cell
And cell
division.
division.
Okay. Cell cycle, cell division. Cell is driving some kind of a cycle and it's dividing. Cell division, cell is dividing. Okay, cell is dividing, that we know, because cell is dividing, it is producing,
Yes,
one
sir.
cell is producing more than one cell. But what is this cell cycle? So, to understand that, we will make one simple diagram. More than 90% students, they will confuse in this diagram, but this diagram is very important. If you understand this one properly, if you pay concentration, whatever doubts are there, ask spontaneously, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Now, we are looking at a cell cycle. Cell cycle means it is a sequence of events. Okay. Some event is taking place. After that, some event is taking place. After that, something is taking place. So, and the cycle will repeat again. So here we are making it into a circle like a watch or clock. Okay. And it is having a
Yes, sir.
direction. Okay. It will be moving in one particular direction only. Means if one event will take place, after that this event only will take place. After this event, this one will not take place. Only it has to go in this direction. So there is a direction. So cell cycle we are dividing into the two parts: cell division and interphase. So generally, if there is some movie is going on, and there is an interval. If it is a very long movie, then there will be an interval. Like that only,
Yes.
during this cell cycle, there is an interval. That is what we are telling interphase. Okay. And that interval is actually very big. But generally, in a movie, the interval is very small, and the real movie will be there the more time. But here, the interval is very large, and the cell division is a very small time. Okay, that is interesting. That means one
Yes,
cell,
sir.
one cell is dividing into two cells. Okay, it is taking hardly 20-30% of the total time. After one cell has divided into the two cells, each cell, okay, it is if it want to divide again, it will be very silent. If you look under the microscope, that cell is not doing much. It is sitting very silently for a long time. You feel that it is taking rest. Okay, you feel that it is taking a rest. That is why it is also known as the resting phase. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
interphase is also called the resting phase. It is the time that is present between two cell divisions. Okay, here cell is going to divide it, and here the cell is preparing to divide in the interface. So far it is clear. Anything you want to ask? You are following this part.
That's in between your voice was lagging. So can you repeat again after interval?
This not, it's not interval, it is interphase.
Yes, sir. So after you that it's like interval. After
Ha.
that, can you repeat?
So here this interphase is the majority time of the cell cycle. 20 to 30% of the time is the cell division. That means actually the cell is dividing. Okay. But the maximum time is interface.
Yes.
Interface. Now, cell division means one cell is dividing into two cells. There are the three main types of cell division. In the case of the bacteria or prokaryotes, what kind of cell division takes place? One is dividing into two.
Into
Okay.
two.
So it is called
Yes, sir.
binary. Okay. Two, no? Binary
But
fission. Fission means breaking, no? Binary
yes, sir.
fission. So in the case of the bacteria or prokaryotes, what type of cell division is taking place? What it's called?
Binary fusion.
Binary fission.
Binary fusion.
Huh. And in the eukaryotes, there are the two types: somatic cells and gametic cells. Somatic cells means normal, whatever cells are there, other than gametic cells. So skin cell, liver cell, okay, all this normal, whatever are there. These are somatic cells. These cells, the type of cell division they are undergoing is known as mitosis.
The mitosis.
Mitosis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And gametic cells, the type of cell division they undergo is known as meiosis. Somatic cells undergoing mitosis, gametic cells undergoing meiosis.
Meiosis.
Okay. So,
Yes.
what is the difference? You see, somatic cell, for example, skin cell is there. The skin cell, if it will divide, it will also produce only two cells, no?
Yes, sir.
Here, binary fission is also going to produce one cell is going to make two cells. Then why you should give different name for this one and different name here? Binary fission and mitosis. That is the question.
So maybe because of difference, it's prokaryotic, eukaryotic.
Mhm. So here there is nucleus is there or not there?
So in bacteria, the nucleus is not there.
Not there. But here nucleus is there. It is eukaryotic.
Yes, sir.
So the main difference why we are giving different name for binary fission and mitosis is mitosis is also known as nuclear division. That means the division of the nucleus. In the cell, the nucleus is there, and inside the nucleus, the chromosomes are there. So,
Yes, sir.
when the cell is dividing, the nucleus also has to divide so that each daughter cell will get little half of that nucleus. So, in mitosis, nuclear division is taking place, but in the case of binary fission, there is no nuclear division. It is called a mitosis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Implied is there.
yes,
So, but there is nuclide. So,
nucleoid. Yes, nucleoid is there here. So, what is a nucleoid? Does it have a membrane?
no, sir.
It doesn't have. So, nucleoid is what? Nucleoid is nothing but if you look at the bacteria under the electron microscope, then this chromosome it is attached to the this bacterial cell inside like this on the plasma membrane of the bacterial cell. There is a single chromosome. Bacteria have how many chromosomes?
Single.
Only one single chromosome. Okay. Eukaryotes, they are more complicated. Their structure is more complicated and they have to keep more and more information. They need more chromosomes, more DNA. Okay. So in the bacteria, there is only one chromosome, and around this chromosome, this whole area, it is very dense. Okay. So just like X-ray, no? If you look in the X-ray, some places will look dark color, some will look light color,
Yes,
like
sir.
black and white. No, it will come black and. So if it is coming dark color in the X-ray, does it mean something is there or something is not there?
So, if it is coming dark, means something is not there.
Something is there. That is why it is stopping the light. Okay, just one moment. Hello.
Yes, sir.
हाँ हाँ त्रिमूर्ति चौक पे है अच्छा 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 आइए okay that was a courier okay So when we look at the X-ray, okay, so something like a lung X-ray or something is there. So suppose there is some dark region is there in the X-ray. That means something is there in this place. If it is a light, okay, that means it is allowing the X-ray to pass through. Okay, okay, this one you forget about it. So here what happens when we are looking under the electron microscope, then this part is more dense. It appears more gray color than the rest of the cell. Okay, because here there is more proteins, other things are there, so it appears that it is a different place, different region. Okay, that is why it is known as the nucleoid. But is there membrane is there here like this? There is no membrane. Okay, because there is no
It
membrane.
is no memory.
Because there is no membrane, we cannot call it a nucleus, but it appears that it is different from the rest of the cell. Therefore, we are calling it as the nucleus. Okay. Now, the main another point here is during this nuclear division, when we are looking under the normal compound microscope, in our laboratory in the school also it will be there. Normal microscope. You can see the chromosomes. Okay, you can see the chromosomes. These chromosomes, they will become visible. Normally, these chromosomes, they are there inside the nucleus as a thread. Like a thread it will be there. But
Yes, sir.
but during the mitosis or nuclear division, what will happen? It has to divide to two daughter cells. So we have to first of all make it very compact, and then 50% one side, 50% dividing. So all these kind of things we will be seeing in mitosis. In binary fission, we don't see these things. Therefore, mitosis and binary fission are entirely different. Though overall, if you see, one cell is giving two cells. Okay. Next, comparison of this mitosis and meiosis. Comparison of mitosis and meiosis is also important part of your syllabus. Meiosis is taking place in the gametic cells. Okay. So meiosis means what? How meiosis is different from mitosis? Okay. We will be covering this in more detail in our later classes. Okay. But the basic what you need to remember now is meiosis takes place in only gametic cells, mitosis takes place in all somatic cells, binary fission is taking place in
Somatic
bacteria. Okay. All of this
bacteria.
kahani, all of this story is about what?
So cell division.
Cell division, the story, cell division story. Okay. And cell division is how much time? Only 20-30%. And the remaining, what is going
Yeah.
on? The cell is simply sitting silent. It appears to be taking rest.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Testing
And
phase.
yes, it seems to be simply not doing anything. Okay. So what people will do? They will look under the microscope. No, what the cell is doing, they will
Yeah.
be looking under microscope. So and you are keeping time. Okay, this much 10 minutes over, nothing happened. 20 minutes over, nothing happened. 2 hours, 5 hours, like that we'll be watching. So almost 70 to 80% of the time the cell is simply sitting idle, that resting phase or the interphase. Now, the cell division phase is the very dramatic. Okay. Now we are seeing the typical example of the eukaryotic cell. Okay. In a eukaryotic cell, how this cell cycle is? This is the cell cycle, right? In a cell cycle, eukaryotic cell cycle, what is going to happen? First, there will be the nuclear division. Okay. And they will be next to the cytoplasmic division. So here, M is mitosis. Mitosis is also known as what division?
So mitosis is a nuclear division.
Nuclear division. Nuclear division. Okay. And once the nucleus has divided, who has to divide? Cytoplasm has to divide. Okay. So if you take a typical animal cell, inside there is the nucleus. So this nucleus you have divided. In order to complete the cell division, you need to divide the cytoplasm also. No? So this cytoplasm division takes place after the nuclear division. Then we say totally this is the cell is divided. One cell has become two cells. Simple.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So far, okay.
Yes, sir. I am having sir one problem.
Yeah.
Sir, why does the cell go in resting phase?
Why it is going into resting? Is this a resting phase a really resting phase? We will see. We will see.
Uh,
This mitosis has four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. P mat. Okay, we will see more detail in later. But here we are trying to get the overall picture. So
sir.
mitosis is having the four stages. What are these four stages going to do? How the nucleus is going to divide? That is all. Once the nucleus has divided in the mitosis, then it will undergo cytoplasmic division and it will become the two cells. Now, once these two cells have formed, each cell it may want to again divide. But to
Yes, sir.
again divide, it has to increase its size or not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it need to increase its size. It
Yes.
need to get more energy and increase its DNA. Double the DNA, because if it double its DNA, then only half it will give to one cell, half it will give to other cell. DNA has to double. Other cytoplasmic proteins they have to become double. Then only again you can divide into two. No, all this doubling work has to take place. Lot of energy is required. So in this interphase, there are the three phases or three stages: G1, S, and G2.
So I was thinking this only, sir. In resting phase, it is double size.
Hmm. Correct. Okay. So here, what is happening in interphase? Size doubling is taking place. DNA doubling is taking place. All these kind of things. So what is this G1? G means gap. It is the gap between what and what. G1 is between.
Sir,
You can say mitosis and S phase. G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase. So G1 is present between M and S, mitosis and synthesis. S2 means synthetic phase, synthesis or synthetic phase. Here, what synthesis is going to take place? DNA synthesis will take place. Okay, DNA doubling is take place in the S phase. Can I say that G1 is present between S and M?
Pardon?
Can I say that G1 phase is present between S phase and M phase?
Yes, sir.
Think about it.
Maybe not.
Because when I say between S phase and M phase, then what is going to happen? Direction. S and M के बीच में G2 है और M के और S के बीच में G1 है. हम लोग को डायरेक्शन के अनुसार ही बोलना पड़ेगा, है ना? So G2 phase,
Yes.
there is the gap 2 phase is present between the S and M. Okay. Okay. So I will ask a few basic questions just to see. Suppose one plant cell is there. Okay, that plant
Yes,
cell,
sir.
it is having a flower. Okay, it is undergoing flowering, and it produces the pollen. That pollen, whether it will produced by mitosis, meiosis, by what method it will produce? Pollen will be produced by the mitosis or
The mitosis.
is a pollen a somatic cell or gametic cell? Gametic means,
Sir,
gametic means what? It is involved in the reproduction. So pollen, whether it is involved in reproduction,
sir, yes.
it is involved in reproduction. No, that is the male parent, pollen, and the ovule is the
Yes.
female. So it is a what type of cell? Somatic cell or gametic cell?
Gametic, sir.
Gametic cell. So whether it will undergo mitosis or
Sir, so meiosis.
meiosis. So
Meiosis.
what we are seeing now, this particular picture, cell cycle, it is about mitosis or meiosis?
Sir, now mitosis.
Mitosis. In this figure, can you show me where is mitosis? The whole thing is mitosis or only some small part is mitosis?
The small part, sir.
Small part is mitosis. Because mitosis means only what? What division?
So cell division.
Mitosis is also called
That's a nuclear division.
nuclear
Sorry.
division. Okay. So this cell cycle, it is taking place in all living organisms or only some living organisms?
So cell cycle. Such animals they and the which divides and which does not reproduce.
You see, the name of this chapter is cell cycle and cell division.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, just one moment.
Yes, sir.
Hello, how are you? Hello, hello. आवाज नहीं आ रहा है आपका? आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. There is one parcel basically. So that guy is only calling. हाँ भैया, हाँ भैया, हाँ आवाज. अच्छा, दीपक सर्विसिंग है ना, बस उसके बगल जो सटा हुआ गली है उसी में आप सीधा आ जाइए. और हाँ हाँ, और एक तो पोल के पास थोड़ा सा कचरा आपको दिखाई देगा. है एक तो पोल के नीचे जो है ना, लास्ट के पहले जो है, लास्ट में एक हैंड पंप. हाँ हाँ, बस बस उसी गली में आप जो घुसे. हाँ, तो हम अभी देखते हैं, थोड़ा बाहर आ रहे हैं. So maybe you can give me only couple of minutes, huh? There is one delivery boy just I need to collect the product. You can do it. Okay. So you are getting my
No,
voice, sir?
sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, so my question was whether all living cells have all living organisms they show cell cycle.
Yes, sir.
Yes, they will show. Okay. And all living cells, whether they are doing cell division.
So cell division not.
Not correct, because it is not necessary that all cells should divide. Correct. Now, for example, plant cell.
Yes, sir.
In plant cell, we studied in class 9. No, meristematic tissue.
Yes, sir.
Meristematic. They are happy. They are always dividing. Okay. And permanent tissue. Whether they will divide, scleral kind
No,
of
sir.
they don't divide. Now, even in humans, for example, RBC. So
Yes, sir.
RBC,
They don't divide.
they don't divide because once they have matured, the nucleus will be present or absent in mature RBC.
Sir, pardon.
In a mature RBC, whether the nucleus is present or absent,
Sir, present.
it is absent. That is what. Because what is the function of the RBC? Red blood cell. What is the main function?
Sir, red blood cell.
What it is going to carry?
Sir, blood.
RBC, red blood cells have the iron. नहीं बोलते अरे इसको खून का कमी हो गया है, अनीमिक हो गया है, खाता पीता नहीं है. They say no. So RBC has the iron. Okay, and that iron will carry the oxygen in the body. So a person who is not taking sufficient iron in the diet, like green leafy vegetables and all, if that iron content is not coming in the body, then less hemoglobin will form. Okay, if less hemoglobin will be
Yes, sir.
formed, that RBC cannot carry the proper amount of blood. That person will become anemic. थोड़ा सा भी काम करेगा थक जाएगा. ओके, एनीमिया उसको बोलते हैं एनीमिया. ओके, सो आरबीसी का काम है हीमोग्लोबिन उसमें रहता है, उसका काम है ऑक्सीजन को कैरी करना. तो जब आरबीसी मैच्योर हो जाता है तब उसमें न्यूक्लियस खत्म हो जाता है, आरबीसी फिर डिवाइड नहीं करता. ठीक. सो सिमिलर नर्व सेल्स in our body, they are nerve cells. Some nerve cells, they are so long, they will go all the way from the spinal cord up to the tip of your feet, very long. So do you think they will
Yes.
divide? Do you think they will divide?
Sir, no, sir.
They don't divide. Once they are formed, they are formed, that's all. So there are many such nerve cells. Once they mature, they will never they will divide. Okay, so in this way all cells will not undergo cell division. Okay, so आप जो यहाँ डायग्राम में देख रहे हैं ना कि एक सेल दो सेल में कन्वर्ट हो गया, जरूरी नहीं है कि ये
Yes, sir.
सेल फिर से डिवाइड करे, ये जरूरी नहीं है. लेकिन अगर ये सेल फिर डिवाइड करेगा तो उसको ये साइकिल के थ्रू फिर गुजरना होगा. और इसी सीक्वेंस में, ये नहीं कि पहले डीएनए डबल कर लेंगे ना, पहले जीवन फेज होगा जिसमें कि बहुत सारे हम लोग देखेंगे क्या क्या चीज होता है. विल बी सी इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस एंड ऑल विल टेक प्लेस. देन in S phase DNA doubling will take place. G2 further other proteins will be formed and it will get ready and committed to undergo the nuclear division. Okay, so any doubt you have in this today's class, or in general you want to ask?
No, sir. Now I'm not having doubts, sir. Sir, I cleared in between.
Okay, so okay, so I think you are comfortable with the evening class, or morning class is also okay. That is 9 o'clock. Which one you are comfortable, or both are okay? How you? But I think in 2 or
Evening class, I'm comfortable.
evening class, I think tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we may know that school timetable also, how this classes will be there. क्योंकि फिर आप लोगों को भी बहुत सारा
Yes.
ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ये सब हो जाएगा, तो उसके अनुसार देख के कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Okay then, I will see you then.
Yes, sir.
When you want to do tomorrow, you want to do
Sir, pardon?
tomorrow, you want to have class.
Sir, if you want, you can take, sir.
So because now in the initial time we have not many things will be there, no. So more of free time will be there. So आप इनिशियल में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सिलेबस आप खींच पाओगे, और बाद में जैसे स्कूल का भी ऑनलाइन क्लास होने लगेगा, दूसरे सब सब्जेक्ट का भी ट्यूशन रहेगा, तो लोड बढ़ते जाता है. तो समय रहते अपन जब है यू कैन वी कैन डू इट. ओके, फटाफट अपन, बिकॉज टारगेट
Yes.
जितना जल्दी सिलेबस खत्म करेंगे उतना आपको बाद में रिवीजन के लिए, चीजों को क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए, इन चीजों के लिए आपके पास समय बचेगा. ओके, सो टुमारो वी कैन डू अगेन इन द
Yes.
इवनिंग. ओके, देन आई विल सी यू टुमारो.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके, बाय.
Sir, can you send notes?
हाँ, notes we can do. So initially what we will do, no, first we will do the regular how we are trying to understand. Okay, and then when we are approaching
Yes.
end of the chapter, when we are approaching end of the chapter, or in between also, I will give you the notes, no problem. I have like, because the way I prepare notes are generally that is a bit different. I don't like to write very long stories, huh? So, and you should also see that in your examination of class 10 also, you are not required to, for example, this is there. Okay, just basic idea. So notes will be like this only. Okay, there's not going to be like
Yes.
lamba lamba, one page, two page. Okay, everything condensed in 2 or 3 pages maximum, with the help of a diagram. Central diagram will be there, other side what are the definitions or different points, everything will be in one side. So we'll do like that one. Okay, then I will see you tomorrow.
Ye-
Oh, thank you.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
नहीं फिर कैसे जाते, क्लास चल रहा था तो एक मिनट है सेट करते हैं। ये मेरा कंप्यूटर है, एक मेरा पापा मेरा कंप्यूटर विंडोज 10 विंडोज 10 का चिप, ये विंडोज 10 ये मोबाइल जाके कुछ चलता है या फिर दूसरा वाला जिसमें स्क्रीन होता है, इससे अगर चल रहा है ये वाला तो हमको एक 20 में बनाते हैं, ये दोनों तो हमको बिल्कुल सेट ऑन है इसका। नबियो इससे बहुत कोई नहीं मिलते होंगे, ये देखो जैसे ये Xbox का ये क्या है, इस कुछ ये कुछ और ये